The contents of the PM kit includes the following: the clear O-ring, the inner orange O-ring, and the black Turcon seal. Also, we have 2 drain O-rings and 2 small packets of lube. The following tools are needed for the preventative maintenance: 2 wrenches, a 7mm and an 8mm, a 3mm Allen, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first step we want to do before doing the PM is turn off the machine. And to do that, we need to open the grounds drawer. In the lower left-hand side, we'll see a red button. That's our power button. Simply just turn off the machine. Next, we want to open the top door of the machine. To do this, we have a 7mm bolt underneath. Use your 7mm wrench to take that out completely. The Brew module is mounted on its own door. To swing this open, we need to loosen the 7mm bolt and then slide it over so that we can swing it open. Next, we want to remove the 2 slide gates on each side of the Brew module. There are 2 Phillips screws on each side. Simply loosen those and pull the slide gate off. Next, we want to take out the grounds bin and turn it upside down and put it back in. This will act as a workbench for when we do our PM. The next step we want to do is to remove the lower piston assembly. To do this, we have 2 mounting bolts that are in the corners. We're going to need our 3mm Allen tool and loosen the bolts. On the back side of these bolts there is a nut, so hold on to that as you loosen and simply pull out the pin. Next, we want to remove the top plate of the piston head. To do this, we need to remove the flathead screw on top and then lift up on the plate and remove it. Next, remove the old O-rings. We have 2 on top, which is the black Turcon seal or scraper ring, and the inner orange O-ring. Also remove the lower O-ring. Put a flathead screwdriver underneath and roll it off. Next, we want to remove any of the excess coffee oils that are left on the piston head. When replacing the O-rings with new ones, we want to put a thin layer of lube on the O-ring. After attaching the bottom clear O-ring, put a thin layer of lube as well on the orange O-ring and the black Turcon seal. After attaching the O-rings, we want to clean off the top plate of the piston head as well as the shower screen. Then attach the plate to the piston head with the flathead screw. Next, we want to wipe off any excess coffee on the bottom plate and motor. Afterward, flip the